Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
I want to barb my hair. Mo fẹ́ gé irun mi. I want to barb my hair. Mo fẹ́. Can you see? You put sign. Mo fẹ́. Gé. Mo fẹ́ gé. Mo fẹ́ gé. Irun. Faweli. Àti so always make reference to it. Always make reference to it. Mo fẹ́ gé irun mi. Mo fẹ́ gé irun mi. Re mi mi, re re do re. Mo fẹ́ gé. Mo re fẹ́ gé irun. Re re mi re. Mo fẹ́ gé irun mi. Re mi mi re re do re. You see it now? You see it? So mo fẹ́ gé irun mi. Now oko daddy. Oko daddy, that is oko bàbá mi. Oko bàbá. Oko, that is daddy's farm. Daddy's farm. Daddy's farm. Oko rere bàbá domi. Domi. Oko bàbá rere domi. Rere domi. Rere domi. For example now, mo fẹ́ fọ aṣọ. Rere mímí rere. Mo fẹ́ fọ aṣọ. Re mi mi rere. Mo fẹ́ fọ aṣọ. Re mi mi rere. So when you can put it down after another syllable by syllable, you'll be able to get it. Soup, ọbẹ̀. Soup, ọbẹ̀. Soup, ọbẹ̀. Soup, ọbẹ̀. Soup, ọbẹ̀. Ọbẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ fi jẹ iyán. I want to use soup to eat pounded yam. Pounded yam. I want to use soup to eat pounded yam. That is, mo fẹ́ fi ọbẹ̀ jẹ iyán. Mo fẹ́ fi ọbẹ̀ jẹ iyán. Mo fẹ́ fi ọbẹ̀ jẹ iyán. I want you to see it. Mo fẹ́. You put it. Mo fẹ́. Fi. Ọbẹ̀. Ọbẹ̀. You go back to here. Ọbẹ̀. 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 Jẹ. You can see. Jẹ. This is also jẹ. Iyán. This is you can see this one. Iyán. Yam. Iyán. Iyán pounded yam. We call iyán pounded yam. So mo fẹ́ fi ọbẹ̀ jẹ iyán. Re mi re re do re re mi. Re mi re do. Ọbẹ̀ re do. Mo fẹ́ re mi fi re ọbẹ̀ re do. Jẹ re i re yán. Iyán re mi. Can you see that I did not put sound at the top of that N here because it's not separately. It's part of the vowel. The one I said that you call it like a mucus. Mo fẹ́ fi ọbẹ̀ jẹ iyán. Re mi re re do re re mi. Re mi re re do re re mi. Mo fẹ́ fi ọbẹ̀ jẹ iyán. Mo fẹ́ gé irun mi. Oko bàbá. Mo fẹ́ fi ọbẹ̀ jẹ iyán. Mo fẹ́ gbálẹ̀. I want to sweep the floor. Mo fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Re mi mi re do. Mo fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. I can even put a name here. I can say Francis want to sweep the floor. I can say Ọmọpọ́nmilé. Ọmọpọ́nmilé fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. What is that Ọmọpọ́nmilé? That is when we call a child Ọmọpọ́nmilé, that is that child is a respectable child, is a child that carry the dignity of a family. So Ọmọpọ́nmilé fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Ọmọpọ́nmilé, I can say Ọmọpọ́nmilé. Ọmọpọ́nmilé, pọ́nmilé fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Ọmọpọ́nmilé. So I need to put it together, but so that I'll be able to know. Mo fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Re mi mi re do. Re mi mi re do. Ọmọpọ́nmilé. Re mi mi re mi fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Re do. You can see. Mo fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Re mi mi re do. Ọmọpọ́nmilé. Re mi mi re mi fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Mi re do. Ọmọpọ́nmilé fẹ́ gbá ilẹ̀. Re mi mi re mi mi re do. So you can make it like a song. Maybe you want to sing a song, you can make it like that. As soon as you know it, do re mi fa sol la ti de. So this is it in Yoruba. So you can say do re mi do, do mi re, and so on. So you go for any textbook that is Yoruba, so you will see some sentences that they put the signs, the voice signs there. So this is the third one about the consonant sound, vowel sound, and we call it the voice sounds, which is àmì ohùn.